In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from a bank to your Wise account. So whether it's your bank or someone else's, here's how you can do it. First, if it's your bank, just go to Wise and from the home screen click on Add Money. Then choose how much you want to add from your bank. So for example 10 euros. And then where it says paying with, you can select any of the options that allow you to pay with a bank, such as Ideal or a simple bank transfer which doesn't have any fees. So from there click continue. Then it will ask you which country your bank is in. So for me the Netherlands. And then here they will have you pick your bank. So just select which bank you use. If it's not in there, you will need to do a manual bank transfer. But let's say that I use N26. Then I can select that and then choose a payment type. So instant or free. And then from there click continue and just go to make the payment. And then it will be deposited directly into your Wise balance. Now if it's someone else's bank, then you cannot use that method. In that case, you will need to get your bank details. So on Wise, to do that, from the home screen again, just click on the currency you want to receive the money in. For example, for me in euros, I'll click on euro. And then from there, under the euro balance, you can see it has the BE67, etc. That is my IBAN. Now if I go and click on that, then I will get all of my bank details, which I can then send to the person that I want to receive the money from, and they can then go to their banking app or just their banking portal and make a transfer to this IBAN name, and if it's an international transfer, then also the SWIFT or BIC. So that's how to transfer money from any bank to your Wise account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.